We go live to Venezuela. Attorney General Tarek William Saab offers statements. Let's listen.
The recent events binding all of them to the departure from Venezuela to Spain of the citizen Edmundo González Urrutia. I will say that it's ending the brief season to a time which it has some comedy levels of there. Initiated this year 2024, and it's called to the end the name, which will be unfortunate, and it has the last played this Saturday when the main character, Edmundo González Urrutia, put it into the scene his departure in the airport of Marquetía in Caracas. We could say that the last chapter happened there of the mediocre theater play that caused blood, sweat, and pain to innocent viewers that had another actress that played a role of villain, which in the last chapters of the play with a few audience, because the audience didn't want to see the last chapters. In the end, no one was there. Was seen to be in a truck without the main character of said play, named in a mischievous way till the end, would wanted to join her in those last chapters, despite of some viewers were knowing that he was being threatened by phone calls. These scenes were seen in last chapters when the one who is playing the role of the villain was threatening the main character of the mediocre play, taking away the microphone from him when he was trying to give it a speech, because he was two characters play, a villain character and an old man playing the main character role, but the villain wouldn't let him speak, he would take the microphone away from him, etc. What we're going to see later on will be burning chapters already played in an ending role. So this public ministry, it has to perform a role at the time to receive the judicial name of Edmundo González Urrutia in this headquarters by myself and my team and the prosecutor that's taken away the cause and initiated to him. And this aspect, which is very important, that we already gave details, exact details of what happened. Today is up to us with this communique, let's say, to seal one of the most decisive moments of the cause initiated against this citizen Edmundo González Urrutia. So I proceed then to read the communique that says this, and we're going to distribute to all representatives of the international and national media which are present today. The public minister of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela is pronunciated before the international community at respect to the last events occurred with the citizen Edmundo González Urrutia, which was being requested through apprehension order by the reiterated missing subpoenas by the 58th National Prosecutor to be interviewed. Point 1. This public minister had knowledge by first hand of the exact moment in which citizen Edmundo González Urrutia entered to the embassy of the Spain Kingdom in Caracas. Then we went to get the news by the Venezuelan authorities of the request of asylum by him in the frame of the international laws of the human rights and the diplomatic relations between the both states. Point 2. The governments of Spain and Venezuela agreed upon the safe conduct of Edmundo González Urrutia to abandon the national territory and accepted the asylum conceded by Spain. In consequence, this public ministry expresses its entire respect to the decisions of the Venezuelan executive to fulfill the right of asylum guaranteed by the Constitution of the Republic in the 69th article, managed to surrender the safe conduct which correspond. 3. Once that in the communication to the public ministry received on September 4th, citizen Edmundo González Urrutia expressed his acknowledged to our authority as General Prosecutor of the Republic and the capability that has the institution that we directed in base of the law and Constitution. This public ministry has maintained tight communication established during the last days with the judicial holder of Mr. González Urrutia, lawyer Jose Vicente Aro, to the end to get the cause of investigation of this office. Caracas, September 8th, 2024. Signed, as you can see, by me, to this communique, official communique that we're going to proceed to give to the representatives of the communication media here present. Thank you very much.
We were listening to the statements of Venezuelan Attorney General Tarek William Saab. The top official reaffirmed the departure of former opposition candidate Edmundo González from Bolivarian land, adding that this meant an end to the recent episode of attempted coups against the democratically elected government. In this regard, the Attorney General read a statement informing that the public ministry knew from the very beginning the moment that Edmundo entered the Spanish embassy in Caracas and was also informed the moment of the asylum was requested. The official added that the public ministry fully respects the decision taken by the Venezuelan executive to grant a safe conduct in accordance to international laws. Stay tuned with teleSUR English for more updates in upcoming news briefs.